yours is a little stronger. We can switch. We can switch. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Why not start with a video of me getting drunk, because I'm 21 now, and we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna create drunken makeup tutorial but Halloween version. So we're gonna do each other's makeup. If you want to see our Halloween masterpieces after we finish a cup, let's cheers. We'll get back to you in a cup or two. We just need to take shot of rummies.
Ew.
So we got some salsa, because you know, you need that snack while you're drinking. I'm feeling it. We're gonna get into this. We decided just to hurry and take a couple shots because, let me just tell you what time it is. It's 5:50. Another one. God damn, I don't know if I can take another one. Look at how you like.
It's not that bad.
Should I?
Mother Teresa. There it is. So what do we do next?
Okay, I lost my train of thought. Like, I'm pumping up the video. I'll do you first. So I want to take some white concealer. Close your eyes. Keep them closed. This is just gonna turn out like however it's gonna turn out.
You know what? It's Halloween. Who cares?
Halloween, bitch.
Don't make me look ugly.
I'm not. This is just the base. You're not gonna look ugly. It's Halloween. Like,
oh, I have that too.
people are gonna be like, BoxyCharm. BoxyCharm. You can tell which ones I use the most. Maybe it's Maybelline.
Oh God, damn my eye.
I did not.
Okay, yeah, keep going.
I'm on a different level.
Okay.
You can't say, you know.
What's the look you're gonna do? Orange.
You know why? I don't know, but that's like my go-to color.
do like.
I got this.
Okay.
You know, I'm already feeling this look, and I've just only added one color.
You're feeling a lot of stuff.
Dylan's gonna call me. Hey, and I'm gonna be like, hey baby, what's up?
Okay.
You know what I'm feeling? I'm feeling the Star Trek.
What am I gonna do?
Mmm.
You feeling it? You feeling it? Is that blue?
Maybe I'm going for a football theme.
Go Broncos?
No. I'm not. I realized that I'm gonna add a different color in between. Said you read my mind. Not you're in my mind.
That's what I heard.
Oh, okay.
Is it looking good?
I don't know.
You're like, I'm so drunk, I can't function.
No, I'm not that drunk.
How drunk are you? 1 out of 10.
Probably like a 5.
5? You need another shot.
Yeah, so far so good. Stop! You don't know what I'm going for yet.
Hold up.
You hold up. I don't know.
This palette.
I'm using Party Animal.
Those are bright colors.
They're fun.
I heard you're supposed to do the shape first.
Stop looking at my masterpiece.
Oh, what are you doing now?
Actually, look up. Yeah, it's cute. Stop.
Okay. I could.
Okay, let me see. I'm gonna add some more.
You're all making noises.
I'm trying to do your art.
Okay, yeah.
You know. Come back.
Okay.
I can't do it when you're like.
I'm trying not to laugh.
What I did fits what's going on.
I can't. Okay. That felt like a fuck up. That was bad, wasn't it?
It wasn't.
You were not trying what I think.
Stop.
I'm gonna hate you.
My mess.
Oh my god, you cannot post this. Like,
My masterpiece is done.
I'm from Halloween.
You're from Halloween. I'm done.
The lipstick looks unfinished. Does this look like Alice in Wonderland? Okay, you know what? Let's get started.
No!
Bitch. Creative. For real.
These chips are so good right now.
Do you think I could use this lipstick as? You know what? I'm just going for it. Hell yeah. Okay.
All right. How do I feel? Scrub it up. Like you're cleaning me or something.
It looks better like that. No, look, it looks good.
Girl, no, it doesn't. Don't mess up my eyes.
No, it's fine.
I'm really pissed that you fixed your makeup.
It was not a heart, if that's what you were going for.
Oh my god.
Need new
I felt that fall out.
Yeah, you definitely need to clean the fallout.
Or you're just being mean to me.
No, you really need to clean the fallout though. Don't! Wait, which eye was I on? I'm gonna go out now because the other one goes out.
Gotta make it
so I
even.
just gotta make it even. Don't do that. I think it's looking good so far. I did one dot.
That dot looks really good.
Hell yeah. I'm gonna make your lips poutier.
My lips do not go down to
No,
my
they
chin.
look good. Okay, you get a bloody nose
Dude,
too.
I'm dying.
Give
The
me
lid
one.
is still on. The lid is...
I got it.
Come here. I told you. You're screaming. It's on my leg. Okay, no, girl, you gotta be close.
Okay, yeah.
Like on my face.
Okay. Yeah. That's just like an actual bloody nose.
It's in my mouth. You're squeezing really hard. It's
Is it
getting
good?
in my mouth.
It's good.
Yeah.
No,
Dude,
yeah.
we look
No, wait, I'm not done.
like shit.
No, I'm not done. Done. Wait, close your eyes. Do we look good or?
Or, I think it's or. Thank you so much for watching our Halloween makeup tutorial. Like, oh my gosh. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a good day. Bye. Happy Halloween.
Peace. I think you look good.